Hey, how are you all? This is Rizwan from CodeWithRizu. In last video, I gave you overview for Gridview. So here is the overview. This is the drawing which I have drawn. So now we will code according to this drawing. So let's start. First of all, we need to create a project. So here's give the name Gridview test. So let's finish. It will take 1 to 2 minutes in Gradle waiting. So wait and watch. Yep, now Gradle is built. So let's move. First of all, we need to change this constraint layout with linear. So change this linear layout and remove this text view and add a grid view here. First of all, give orientation vertical, and next add tag for grid view. Here we will give height and its width, match parent, an ID I select Datagrid and the tags close. Next I will define number of columns which we have to show. I said it's auto fit. Next one, layout margin, I said 10 dp, and the last one, gravity center, and the thing we have to define is column width. I said it should be 100 dp. So this is the only thing we need to add in activity main. So now we will move on drawing. In drawing we have have to put these icons and names in our data. So we will move further in main activity, and here we will define typecast over grid view. So grid view. Now go down and call the reference grid view is equal to find view by id r dot id dot, and the id we have give to grid view. So now the working has been completed. Now we need to add our icons and images, that is data. So let's go. I have downloaded the pics, so I will add these images into drawable, rest drawable, and paste. So now I will call reference. I need to add a string for images and int icons. So it will write. Now you need to add path for icons r dot id dot, I said first one is c, so it should be r dot id dot drawable dot c. Okay, so we need to copy this and paste for all other images. So next one is Java, and third one JavaScript, then it's Kotlin and PHP. I'm going to save time, so that's why I'm copying this PHP after Python and the SQL. Now we will create a string for names. String name, I said it is and here are the names, titles for these images. Now here is the first one for C language. The other name I said Java. The third one JavaScript, and next is Kotlin. After that we have PHP and Python. And the last one is SQL. So now the working in main activity has been completed. So now we will move further on single row XML design. So let's add layout resource file in layout. New layout resource file, I named it single row XML. It's single row. Okay, finish it, and now we will add here. First of all, we will change its linear layout into linear compact, and the second one we will give orientation, and after that we need to add gravity. So now here we will assign gravity center, and the orientation vertical. So in single row XML we need to add an image and a text view. So I have already the code, so I will copy that and use it. I will paste it here. So this will be the design for single row. This is the last activity for today's video. In today's video we have designed a grid view. In main activity we have added our data, and we have designed our single row design. So in next video we will see remaining working. So stay tuned for more videos. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, and if you are new, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.